look at that. So nice. Delicious. Just let it pour out. Scoop it. Nice. Oh my god, the smell is so rich. Chocolate. Yummy. I'm going to be making brownies. I have 2 boxes of fudge chewy by Duncan Hines and a bag of marshmallows. Use any kind you like. I use the mini ones. I haven't tried the big ones, full fluffy marshmallows yet. And I'm also going to be topping it with bootleg Oreos that are called Twist and Shout. I really like these. They're pretty good. Like Hydrox almost. Alright, and here goes the first bag. Yummy. And the second bag. Beautiful. 2/3 of a cup. There's 1, 2. Now for eggs. One, 2. 3. 4. Let's give it a good mix. So I have doubled everything for the recipe that it calls for. The oil, double the eggs, double the water. I can smell the chocolate. It smells very yummy. Yummy. I have made this before. It has come out super good. So I know it's a winner of a recipe. I scrape the bottom like so. Make sure I get all that mix incorporated. Look at that. Yummy. It smells so good. And that is the oven that has been preheating at 325, I believe. Now, there are Betty Crocker and Duncan Hines, which are your classic cheap stuff. Brownies, inexpensive. I have found that I like the Duncan Hines better than the Betty Crocker. Betty Crocker's pretty good, but I just prefer this. This is ready to be poured. I'm going to be cooking it in a glass pan. Just like that. And here's a little pro tip that I learned. And that holds a little bit better its shape if you crinkle it up. Alright, so I'm going to try to pour this out. Hopefully nail it. Oh yeah, look at that. So nice. Delicious. Just let it pour out. Scoop it. nice. Oh my god, the smell is so rich. Chocolate. Yummy. Let's get all the little bits. As my mama would say. As my mother would say. That's somebody's portion you're leaving behind. Scrape it all out. That's another piece of brownie. So nice. Look at all that. Yummy. So sticky. Look. So sticky. Beautiful. Smells so good. These are going to be so yummy. Nice little treat for the family. Very inexpensive. And doing the upgrades of the Oreos and the marshmallow really feels like a treat instead of just a regular brownie. Very nice. Alright, onto this. We're going to oh yeah, look at that. So we're gonna press these in gently at the top. Just randomly. This comes out so nice and it looks so pleasing visually. Here's where we're at. Let's go ahead and press these down a little bit more to get nice and good. Nice and good. Marshmallows sprinkled on top. A little bit more. I think that's pretty good. Let's go ahead and just press them down a little bit. Find it easier if I just use my flat hand like this. Press them in gently. Alright, and here's what we have. Marshmallows rolling around. Let's go ahead and press them in a little bit. All the loose ones like this. And into the oven, which has already been preheating. For about 45 minutes. You can see the Oreos and the marshmallows, nice and toasty. Here is the finished product, looking pretty good. Let's go ahead and cut ourselves a slice. A little bit of effort to get through the cookie. Let me get myself a nice big piece. And here we have, I already ate my lunch, so you can see the marshmallows. Let's try to get that in focus, and the Oreo. And I'm gonna take a bite of it. Look at the marshmallow has crystallized. Go ahead and get a bite. and delicious. So good. You should try this. You're gonna love it. It's perfect. I'm gonna put some ice cream on this. Like this. Nice scoop of vanilla ice cream. Let's go ahead and get a bite of the ice cream. Some ice cream. I'm gonna get some of that Oreo and a marshmallow. Everything all in one bite, so it's good. My favorite way to eat it. It's so good. Yummy. You're gonna love it. Remember to like and subscribe and share if you enjoyed this video. I'll see you on the next one. See ya.